Tired of wrestling with layouts that collapse like a house of cards on different screens? The Responsive Design Pack arms you with battle-tested breakpoint frameworks, container query magic, CSS grid superpowers, and Flexbox mastery to build layouts that adapt like liquid. Whether you're a front-end dev juggling client demands, a UI engineer chasing pixel perfection, or a mobile first newbie drowning in media queries, this pack transforms chaos into consistency. Spoiler alert, your days of works on my screen are over. Here's what's inside the Responsive Design Pack: breakpoint strategy frameworks with M-based sizing, container query integration for context aware components, mobile first layout blueprints with CSS grids implicit magic, Flexbox deep dives for stubborn alignment cases, performance benchmarks tracking CLS and FID. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just responsive, it's future-proof. Installing the Responsive Design Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add responsive design pack. That's it. You'll get the entire workflow: code templates for grid template areas, container query mixins, mobile first boilerplates, and breakpoint manager utilities. No config hell. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now speaks container queries, understands min-width best practices, and laughs at old-school float layouts. Warning: may cause sudden confidence when resizing browsers.